WTO-DVO004. Name, Sabucedo Gemma. 29 years old, married, graduate of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Personal domestic helper. Tell me something about yourself.
Hi, I'm Gemma Sabucedo. I'm 29 years of age, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, an eldest daughter of the family. I live in Rosalina Village, Davao City.
Family background.
I'm married to Bernard Sabucedo. I have one kid. He is Joshua James Sabucedo, 7 years of age. My father's name is Jimmy Canastra. My mother's name is Marietta Canastra.
If with children, who will take care of them?
My mother will take good care of my son.
Tell me something about your DH experience.
DH experience in my own home or in our home, and also I am a working student. When I was in college, I do the household chores, and I know how to clean the room, wash clothes, wash dishes, and everything in household chores.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
I know how to cook noodles, pancit, and also want to learn all some Chinese foods.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are cleaning, planting, slight of dancing.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby or elderly?
Yes, I am willing.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
First, you should secure this bottle if it is clean, and then sterilize the bottle, and know the what do we call that, this how much ml of water and scoop of milk, and shake well before you give it to the baby, and make sure it was cold.
If the baby has a fever, what will you do?
I will inform my employer that the baby has a fever, and I also double check he or her the temperature, and the basic first aid, give proper medicines, or inform the employer if go to for doctor for checkup.
If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
I will carry the baby and make it dance in a while, and check her personal necessities, the diapers, and check if there's something irritation for her in her on his body, and make hele hele or dance in order to give more attraction, give some attraction for him to stop crying.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes.
Can you sing it for us?
Um, Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, like a diamond in the sky.
Do you have another talent?
Talent, um, entertaining some kids, doing doing household chores, planting. That's my talent. I love to arrange in my home, decorate.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I spare my time with any, or keep myself busy in order not for me to cope up my homesickness.
If your family members will get sick, will you break the contract? What will you do?
No, I won't break the contract. I support them financially or in spiritually.
What could you teach the children?
I could I could teach the children the good manners. I will also teach them how to walk if necessary, or I will teach them the alphabetical, or in like what are the kinds of animals, the fruits, especially more on moral. I will teach them.
How long can you work in Hong Kong and why Hong Kong?
How long? I want to finish my um, I want to finish the contract, and if there is an opportunity of an extension, I will grab the opportunity. And why Hong Kong? Because Hong Kong, I know Hong Kong because the Filipinos there are friendly, and the atmosphere also are. I love the atmosphere and as well as the environment.
Thank you.
Thank you.